Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our birthday celebrant, Mama Lynette Quezon! Let's all stand up, everybody, magsitayo po tayo lahat, and let's all sing happy birthday song. Everybody, one more time! Happy birthday. Okay, everybody, let's all say happy birthday, Mama Lynette, after the count of three.
The colors melt together like a rainbow had a baby. We bring the streets alive, the speakers blown, it's going crazy. Everybody laughing, smiling, dancing under the ultraviolet. We friends, we be vibing, city don't sleep in the neon lighting. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Everybody get up, everybody get down. Come on and jump into the madness right now. Everybody get up, everybody get down. We're gonna rock it till our people say wow. Everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up.
Mama, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi napakarami mo nang nagawa at isinakripisyo para sa amin. At salamat din kasi you never stop believing in me. Kahit na minsan pakiramdam ko I am a failure kasi hindi ko pa naabot yung mga pangarap ko. Nandiyan ka to tell me na I've accomplished so much and nasa magandang kalagayan naman ako sa pagkakataon ko. Kaya sa pagkakataon na to, Ma, gusto ko lang na i-celebrate mo yung birthday mo. Gusto ko na masaya ka and wala akong material gift na yan. And alam ko yung regalo ko hindi sasapat sa lahat ng ibinigay mo para sa amin.
Everybody get up, everybody get down. Come on and jump into the madness right now. Everybody get up, everybody James Brown. We're gonna rock it till our people say wow. Everybody get up, get down, shake it all around. Everybody get up, get down. We're feeling good right now. Everybody get up, get down, get over that.
Mama, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo sa amin para sa aming tatlo. Eh dahil nga wala naman akong trabaho, pera, chocolate na, sweets na lang. Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo para sa aming tatlo. Thank you po dahil lagi mo tigas yung ulo ko. Lagi niyo pa rin akong minamahal.
Got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything.
Mama, maraming pong salamat. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagsisikap mo para sa pamilya natin. Saksi po ang maraming tao ngayon kung gaano ka po kabuting ina at kung gaano ka po kasikap. Ma, saksi rin po yung pink basket ng balat natin. Saksi po yung tray ng kwek-kwek natin. Lahat ng stick ng mahanap yung tray ng kamotik yung. At saksi din, Mama, yung mga namamanubo. Ugat mo ng kamay at braso. Kung Mama, tumatanda na. Kaya naman gusto ko pong pangabahin pa ng ama ang buhay mo. Panalangin ko po na sana sa mga hinamong panalangin, laging dinggin ng mga panalangin mo. Mama, mahal na mahal kita.
When he picked you from the others, he could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, he was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you. If he picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, he was being good to me. Yeah, he was being